Welcome back to Algebra 1 exercise sessions, chapter 2.4, page 55, number 9, minus 16 plus 8. Again, we are going to use the same rules that we used in the previous chapter. Here we have a negative number and a positive. So we simply get their difference, and the sign will be the sign of the larger number, so the answer is minus 8. Number 10, 32 plus minus 15. Again, we get their difference, and the sign is the sign of the larger, so that will be 17. Number 11, minus 17 plus 0. This 0 will not change the number, so the answer is minus 17. Number 12, 23 plus minus 16, and the answer here, again, we get the difference, and the sign is the sign of the larger, which is positive, and here it is positive. Number 29, three and 1/3 minus 3 and 1/3 added to minus 3 and 2/3. Here the thirds will add up to 1, minus 3 and minus 3 will be minus 6, and 1 added up is minus 7. So in this case we have two negative numbers, we simply add them as if they are positive, and we put a negative sign. Number 30, 7 and 5/6 plus minus 2 and 1/6. Here we have a positive number and a negative number. We get their difference, and the sign will be the sign of the larger. In this case, it is the positive sign. This is a positive number. 7 minus 2, that will be 5. And 5/6 minus 1/6, that will be 4/6. And that will be equal to 5 and 2/3. You can divide up and down by 2. Number 31, 7 plus minus 2 and 4/5. Here again we get the difference between these two numbers, and the sign will be a positive sign because the larger number is a positive number. In this case, 7 minus 2 is 5, and we borrow 1 to minus 4/5 from it. So we are going to have 4 and 1/5. Evaluate for x equals minus 8, y equals 18, and z equals minus 13. So we are going to do a few of these exercises, evaluation. So x equals minus 8, y equals 18, and z equals minus 13. Number 42, x plus y plus z. X is minus 8, y is 18, and z is 13. So we replace them with their values. The 10 and the 8 will be minus 18, so we cancel this, and we are left with minus 3. X plus minus y. And that's question number 43. X is minus 8 plus minus y, y is 18, so minus 18. And here we have two negatives, we add them, and the sign will be a negative sign. So 8 and 8 is 16, carry 1 and 2. Number 45, absolute x added to absolute y. X is 8 minus 8, so it comes out from the absolute as 8. Y y is 18. Here, this will come out from the absolute as 8 plus 18. Again, 8 and 18 is 26, and it is a positive 26. Both numbers were in the absolute, and both are going to come out from the absolute as positive. Number 46, absolute x added to absolute z. And that's equal to, we replace x with this value, minus 8, and the z with this value, minus 13. And they come out from the absolute as positive numbers, so it will be 8 plus 13, and that's 21. And with this, we come to the end of this exercise session. We hope to see you again.